how's it going, JDM crew? Woo. John here from JDM EXPO with another 30 plus day. Basically in the 90s Fahrenheit, but pretty humid. Midsummer Night's Dream. Well, it's not nighttime yet, but this midnight purple is gonna be heading off to her new home here. So beautiful midnight purple R33 GTR with a lot of mods. You guys might have remembered this from a few months back. It's pretty crazy. Battery is in the back, but they actually have a larger battery. They relocated it. This one's got a lot of mods on there, and nice rumble there. But the AC is working, and I've already got it turned on, so it should be a reasonable ride over there to the yard. But yep, it's definitely cooking. So I'm just gonna get going over there, and we're gonna bring her to the port and get her ready to head off to her new home. Let's send her off. Alright, well, since I'm here at the port now, just having a little walk around, just checking everything. We'll be taking a couple of photos for insurance, and we'll be doing the paperwork here in just a second though, but yeah, the AC really helped. Wow, it's toasty. Well, there you have it, folks. We're done here. Bon voyage to this beautiful midnight purple R33. And if you have got any questions about the process or about this car, you can definitely check out our website or hit up our sales team at info@jdm-expo.com. You just send them an email and they'll be able to get back to you within about 24 hours. Same thing with Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of the DMs will go to our sales team and they got you covered. So yeah, if you're wondering about the shipping process, they can answer your questions depending on where you are in the world. You know, things are a little bit different and they'll be able to let you know. And yeah, I'm glad we got a breeze here, but oh man, it's definitely pretty toasty. So you guys down in certain areas that are hot and humid, like Texas and Florida, you understand what it's like here in Japan during the summertime. So well, as always guys, thanks for watching, and bon voyage this beautiful midnight purple R33, and it'll be arriving on the shores of our customer real soon, so she'll be heading home, you can guarantee it. All right guys, well, I'll see you next time.